Hey everybody, Papa Mike, Fort Worth, your friendly concierge. Got a little secret to let you know about. I'm making my own orange oil, and you can too. Orange oil is a natural cleaner of the counter. It also repels ants and bugs, cockroaches. They don't like it at all, and it's all only made with orange peels. The other thing is you can clean the carpet, you can clean counters. It's amazing what you can do with orange oil. All you need is orange peels cut about this size. Put it in this little saucepan, add 2 cups of water. Put the lid on so you can see the steam rise and smell the orange oil. That's important. Put your setting at about medium, and when it starts boiling, put the little timer up here on your microwave for about 10 minutes. Then lower the flame to maybe a low medium, maybe a little less. And then when you have only 1 cup, which I have this big beaker, 1 cup left, you're ready to go. So all I do is I just pour it all in here, and the little strainer here filters all the orange peels. And that makes it easy for the next step, the final step. And don't forget, let it cool down. And just pour it in. That's it. A little napkins underneath in case you make a mess. It helps too. And you just put this in here. Oh, I can smell it already. It smells so good. And you just spray it when you need it. And just clean and just, believe me, it really does work. This is Papa Mike. Give me a share, maybe a like, maybe a rumble or 2. Stay tuned to our next video. Bye, y'all.